Hello everyone, in this video I will show this presence sensor so that this can detect whether have people in the room so that you can make automation save your power energy. So this can install in your room, in your house or in your bedroom so that can detect whether have people exist on the room. So you can see this is a sensor. The sensor is very small, and here you can see that used by the DC 12 volts, and this just for one. This is for power, the red at the ground. This is DC 12 volts, and this is the ground. And these two cable, the green and the white, is the signal output. It's dry contact output, so that if have people in the room, these two one will closed, and if no people in the room, that will auto disconnect. Let's look at this principle firstly. Now you can see here that is for one. This is for power positive and negative, and just DC 12 volts, and this is signal output. So you can see here this is the size of this sensor, and you can install this sensor to your ceiling. So you can see this is size and how to install on the wall or at the top of the ceiling. So you can see it here. And the most important, you will know about this one. This is the sensor can cover the signal to detect because it sends the microwave, because it's radar sensor. So you can see there are three levels. Just this level, and this level, and this level. This level 3, that means this range, you can see about 4 to 4.5 meter. This can be detect the big motion. So that, for example, you can running at this section, or maybe you have jump, or maybe you have walk at this range. This can be detected. And the second, you can see this is a second range. Just this one, this range, that can detect a small motion. And at this range, such as you can raise your hand and maybe get up or maybe open a book. So this can be detected. And this level 1, that is almost can detect your breath. So that maybe you are sleeping and maybe you just sit down or stand up, just no any motion. So that can be detected on this range. There are whether have people at here, maybe sleep. This is a bed, and maybe you have go to bed at this place. So that can detect whether have people in this range. Okay, this is very important for this range to detect different motion. And now let's detect this principle of this sensor. You can see I can connect with 12 volt. This is my power supply. This is 12 volt. I will connect to this cable, and this cable will connect to this one. Just red to red and black for black. So I can use this terminal easy to fix it. I just connect the red and the black cable together, so that we can connect with this power supply easily. And now I will test this green and this white, this signal output, because these are really inside of this sensor. So you can see I can use a multimeter. We use this multimeter, you can see, to test close or open signal. So now I can test it, this one, the green and the blue. So you will see nothing, that is disconnect. I have not connected the power supply. You can see here that is disconnect. Okay, now you can see I will power on. I will power on the blue LED, and the relay inside there are small sound, because now I'm sit I'm sit down in front of this sensor, so it have detect me. So you can see I can detect this green and the red one. So you can see here that is connected. So this means this sensor have detect mine. I can put it here, and the sensor will auto disconnect this two one just when the people have go out, no people inside of the room. That will the default is 30 seconds later will out of. So if you want to change this default delay time, so you can use this remote, this IR remote. You can press this button and to change the default delay time. The default is 30 seconds is suitable. I think you not need to change it. Okay, now I will test it. You can see this is sensor and this multimeter to detect this signal output is open or is closed. So this we use this multimeter to see, listen the sound, and this is the clock. We just need to check the delay time. I can use this remote to set the sensitive and set the max distance because I take the video, so this sensor between me is not very long distance, just only about 1.5 meter. So I will change it. Actually, you can detect for 5 meter or 7 meter. And also the delay time, the default is 30 seconds, I have set, but to take the video, I will change to 10 seconds. So you can see the first, I change the sensitive to level 3. You can see I just click this one, click, and the LED will be blink, and the 3, and confirm. Okay, the sensitive is changed. And now I need to change the delay time, because when I go out to the office or go out to the room, just 10 seconds will out of. So click this one and 0, 1, 0, and confirm. Okay, and the next is change the max distance 1.5 meter. So press this button and 1.5, enter. Okay, now the sensor, the setting have changed. We will test it. You can see we can open my multimeter. Now it's closed. The two signal is closed, and the sound is always blink because I have sit down in front of this sensor. Now I will go out. You can see now is 10 seconds. Okay, I go out. Okay, you can see this is auto off. This is disconnect. Now I go to in the room and behind of the sensor again. So you can see my hand is behind. Okay, you can see now is out of. So this have a delay time, you can let it out of. So this is the principle of the sensor. Okay, now I can disconnect it. So I think you understand the principle of the sensor. So if you want to make the automation auto off the relay, just use these two cables and detect these two cables state, whether it's on and whether it's off, so that you can make the home automation. Okay, now we will look at how to add this sensor to this H32B Pro and make automation to auto-control this relay by Tuya application. at last you will see just this 4 cable, and now you can plug in the socket to the H32B Pro, just as here. Okay, connect it here. Actually, if you install on your ceiling, that the cable will very long distance, no problem. And now we'll power on. You can see I can power on. The blue LED is on, so that have the power, and the H32B Pro is start. Okay, now we can use the Tuya Smart Life or Tuya application to configure it. Click, and you will see found the H32B Pro. So can click add, and this is Wi-Fi SSID and password, and click next. It's very easy. Okay, add successfully, and click done. And now you can see the important one is triggered because the Tuya application I have created sense mode. You can see I can turn on this is relay 1 and turn off relay 1. And we can create a sense mode. And also you can see setting, there are input 1. You can see it here. Because I have it here, so that is detect. We can test again. I go out of my room. You can see the input state. You can pay attention to this input state. Now it's green, so I can go out. And now you can see the input is not triggered. Now I can go to this office and sit down, and instead of this, you can see it's also is turn green. So now we can make the automation. You can see the input 1 is triggered. Just make these settings at here, the sense mode, and create sense mode when device state changed. I check this one, and you can change just according to the input 1. The input 1 is this sensor, so we can check this input 1 is on, and we can let H32B relay 1 is become on. So add task and control single device H32B Pro, and the switch 1 is on. So you can click save and click next and click next. This is for on. Confirm, yes. And we can create another sense mode that is for off. So we can click, and device state changed, H32B Pro, and input 1 if it's off. So we just can add task, the single device that also is off. Switch 1 is off. Save, and next, and save, and this is off. Confirm, yes. Okay, this automation have been created. So now you can see it here. This relay 1 is on. Now I go out. You can see the relay 1, the application state and the LD state. Now I go out. I need to go out. Okay, now you can see I have listened to the sound, the relay is off, and the Tuya application is also off. Now I go to this in front of the sensor again, so you can see this is turned on. I go out again. Okay, this is automation have running. So this relay is off. So this is how to use this sense mode for the sensor for automation in H32B Pro by Tuya application. Okay, thanks for watching.